truly matters is who you want to become today. Introducing Yaw 2, the next generation motion simulator and smart chair from Yaw VR. Yaw 2 is designed for gaming. High precision motion control with extremely low latency. High speed and dynamic motion range. Compact and modular design. Large ergonomic desk for gaming accessories. Built-in vibration.
Left 4 over long crest. 100. Right 6 over jump, continues for 100 over bump. 100 past junction, crest.
Yaw 2 is perfect for working. Large working space for your keyboard, mouse, and laptop. Replaceable seat for personalized comfort. Built-in timer for scheduling meetings and drinking or break time. Posture correcting assistance for your health. Time to take a break? Choose your favorite relaxing music and program, then sit back and enjoy the peaceful relaxation in your Yaw 2.
The AirWorld Personal Cooling and Heating System is the world's first self-contained, temperature relief device engineered in a convenient, handheld size. Innovation in personal temperature preservation reflects our drive to staying comfortable in extreme temperature conditions, inside or outdoors, wherever your adventure takes you. Whether out for a stroll with your baby or pet in tow, on the job or at the gym, theme park, or even at your favorite sporting event, only AirWorld provides the satisfying temperature relief you need at the push of a button, or within 2 cups of ice cubes, or up to 4 activated heat warmers to enable cool or warm air to flow through efficiently. The insulated foam insert helps keep hot or cold outside ambient temperature from entering while insulating and preventing the interior thermal energy from escaping. The ultra-quiet, motorized turbine fan lid screws on easy for an airtight seal. This lid is made of a high-impact acrylic with a soft-touch plastic surface. The lid incorporates a full-size hand grip, an easy-access battery chamber, and a low-profile airflow opening. For hands-free cooling or heating, AirWorld comes with a flexible air tube that extends from 8 inches to 28 inches.